Hello.
Yeah, hello, Hillary.
Yes.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
Um. Um. Fine.
Okay. How's your day?
Um. We because this is the last our last day at school, so we uh we go home at
We went home
went home at 12.
12 today.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, okay.
And uh our club in school ha have a practice
Okay.
till 4. So it's my day. It's my day. Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So, how's your weekend? What did you do? Anything special?
Uh, Last weekend,
Yeah.
yes, study for test.
Okay. Last weekend, yes.
Yes.
Okay. Nothing special?
No.
Okay. So, let's start.
Yes.
Lesson
Lesson
4.
5.
Lesson 5.
We done 4. Yes. We done
Yes.
4 this time.
Okay. We're done.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So, lesson 5. Let's have. Oh yeah, you already answered it. Okay, good job. So let's have your answer, please.
No. No. We are on. We are on. Uh, what? I I did it by myself. So we didn't do number 1.
Yeah, we're done with part one, isn't it?
No. No.
Not yet, right? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So please read. I mean.
Okay. Um, Most of the time, we have good weather in Taiwan. On land, it is safe. Near the ocean, it is oftentimes a different story. There is a strange occurrence called rabbit waves. Rabbit waves are very dangerous. They are large waves that happen suddenly on the seashore. There is no way of telling when they will attack. The waves are compared to a rabid dog because like dog. They are dangerous and strike without warning. Each year, lives are taken and property is destroyed by these dangerously large waves.
Okay.
Um, an old Chinese man once told me the difference between Chinese medicine and Western medicine. One is not to be one is not better than the other, he said. It is a matter of points of it is a matter of points of view. If illness to you is the appearance of a rat in your house, you rely upon Western medicine. If illness to you is the question of how the rat got of how the rats got in, why it came and what's helped it get in, then you reply Chinese medicine. He added, it is no good merely to kill the rat, you must understand and put it back in its place.
Okay. So what's your idea? What's your understanding about the first one?
The first one um um is about the wave uh, rapid waves. Rapid waves is dangerous and we can't we can't predict it.
Okay.
So many lives will get um, dictated
Yeah.
in this wave.
Okay. Yeah, exactly. Okay, next.
it's about a Chinese man who told the author
Okay.
uh, the difference about Chinese medicine and Western medicine.
Okay.
Um, in his opinion, Western medicine is to is um to uh to uh,
So based in your country, you can relate your answer.
uh okay. If you are sick with
Okay.
rat or have allergic to the rat, you're
You are allergic, right?
yes.
You have allergy. Okay.
Um, you'll reply upon Western medicine.
Sorry, your.
You reply upon Western medicine.
Okay, you apply.
And yes,
Okay.
and um, if you want to find how the rat got in and why it came and what helped it get in, so then you can rely on Chinese medicine.
Okay.
So um, his summarize is his summarize is no, wait um so he tell the author not to kill the rat and
Not to kill.
yes, instead of killing the rat, put it back in its place.
Okay. Yeah. All right. So does it happen? Do people?
In Taiwan?
Yes.
No, not not uh it's seldom. It's haven't seldom in Taiwan.
It seldom happen.
Yeah, it's seldom happen.
Ah. Okay. Yeah. All right. So any questions about the words? Okay. So let's finish your answers from 1 to 10, and then we'll check it later. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So you can continue first.
So Okay.
Okay, so let's have number one.
I'm practicing violin in the evening.
So what are you doing in this or doing this evening? Okay, nothing else to have more sentences. Didn't you have dinner? What did you have for dinner? Didn't you take a bath?
Oh, okay.
So just to have more sentences, of course, because one sentence will not be enough to practice your sentence making. So just tell me anything about tonight.
Okay. Uh,
And then if it's in the past tense, so you can say I practiced violin this evening around 6 p.m. like that, right? Or
yes.
after our class, and then I had my dinner like that.
Um, so can I say after that? Because I have after in front.
After in front?
Yeah, here. I practice
Then,
violin in the
okay, since you used
evening after
after, you can
class.
say then
Oh, okay.
and then like that. All right. Or you can also say aside from that, like that. On the other hand,
Oh yeah.
okay.
Okay.
Okay, there, see? So I practiced violin in the evening after class, so that's before our class, right?
Yes.
So you can say past tense. On the other hand, so when you say on the other hand, it means you are referring to a different thing you
Oh.
must do, okay?
Oh.
But that's just fine to say that because it's still a part of your okay, and then okay, yeah, because you are just mentioning about
Yes.
okay, yeah, okay, and then
And then I went home and had beef soup for dinner.
soup,
After,
beef soup
yeah.
for dinner. Yeah, okay, there, right?
Now.
So please try to practice saying more, okay? So that will be for your sentence making, okay?
Okay.
Okay, next.
Uh,
So if you can add more, just something if you can add more, okay?
okay.
Yeah,
I like to listen to classical music because it makes me relax.
okay. It makes me relax. Yeah, so that's about the question. What type of music do you like to listen to? Okay. Classical music because it makes me relax. Just classical music. Like you can say sometimes I listen to no other music.
No.
Okay.
I don't listen to what is
Which one?
uh pop
S-
song.
Pop song. Okay, just classical.
Yes.
Okay, like me, I mostly listen to R&B songs.
What
I
is that?
R&B.
Uh,
That's rhythm and blues.
a band.
No, 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 not really a band. But these songs do the curly type of tone. Let's say if classical would sound like oh like that, right? When it comes to R&B, it has something wavy. For example, oh, like those.
Oh. Oh.
So the beat is kind of different.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Like those sound.
Yeah.
Those are R&B. That's about rhythm and then blues. Okay. Next, do you, and then you can also add here. Actually, I am learning how to play guitar like that. Okay,
Oh.
because
Okay.
it's related to the question because we're talking about music. Okay,
Yes.
so that's how you can make your or widen up your sentence making. Number three.
Okay. Um, there are four members in my family. My sister and I are students in junior high school. My mom and dad are teachers.
Okay, so you are the oldest.
Yes.
Okay, and are you close to your sister? So you can tell me who are you close more? Are you close to your father? Are you close to your sister,
Oh,
mom?
oh, close. I'm
All
all close.
okay, you are both close.
Both?
Yes.
Uh, okay.
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 Next, like what do you like doing when you are together with your family?
Uh, with my family, chat. I like to chat with my family.
Okay, so when you are together at home, let's say weekends, so you chat.
Yes.
Okay, all right. Yes. Next.
Um, we need to prepare a bag with water, money, radio, and a flashlight so that while waiting for rescue, you may survive.
Okay. Have you ever experienced typhoon or disasters?
No.
Okay. And then, of course, you should be always ready. You should have stocks of food, and then first aid,
Yeah.
and then something more that could be a help for you. Okay,
Yeah.
next.
If I found a wallet with a lot of money, I'll find the nearest police station and take it to them.
Okay, how about in your own personal way?
In my, I'll do it like this.
No, no, no. I mean, on the other hand, let's say you didn't find any, or if you will use the money, how are you going to use it?
Oh,
Let's say,
so how do
because
I spend
we,
it?
yes, how are you going to spend it?
Uh, take it to the uh,
Take it to,
uh, uh, charity,
sorry,
charity.
charity. Oh, okay, yeah, charity. Okay, because, we sometimes have doubts when it comes to returning money to policemen, right?
Yes.
Because maybe they might not bring it back or give it back to the right owner like that. So just on the other hand, okay,
Yeah.
okay, next.
Uh, yes, because I often have to to do report in front of our classmates.
Okay, so it's because I often do report instead.
Yeah. Okay.
So we don't have to is similar like do. I have
Do.
to drink water, right? I need
Yes.
to like that. Okay, so I often do report in front of
Of our
my,
classmates. My class.
yeah,
My
my
classmates.
my it should be because you're the ones doing the report in front of them.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, next.
Number seven.
Yep.
Uh, because some people like to sweat, but others don't.
Okay, because some people like to sweat, but others don't, which is okay. Question number 7.
So,
Okay, how about you?
I don't like to sweat.
You don't like to do exercise?
Yes,
Oh, okay.
because it makes me exhausted.
Why are you, or do you have kind of problem when it comes to like getting tired?
No,
No.
just I don't like to sweat and uh yeah, just I don't like to sweat.
You just don't like doing exercises.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Next.
Uh, I often get up early because I have to go to school.
Okay. And what time?
About 6
You should be at school before
before 7:30.
7:30.
Yes.
Okay. Next,
Um, no, I'm afraid of doing dangerous things.
such as you can
Such
add.
as
Why? What?
uh
Remember, have more sentences.
okay. Uh, wait, such as so, uh, adding or how to say um add face mask. Add face masks
At face mask.
or how to say that oh wear face mask.
We are.
No. Wearing mask. Okay. So can I say like this?
Okay, nope, I'm afraid of doing dangerous things such as playing fire. Okay, or is this another part
Another part? Wait.
here? Is this another thing you are afraid of?
Yeah.
Okay, so it should be or not wearing face mask.
Oh, not swearing.
Yeah, because if you would say without, you should have an example. When do you
Oh,
not wear face mask? Let's say when I go to public places without face mask, not wearing, but without face mask. Okay,
okay.
next.
Okay. I prefer to eat Western food because it's more tasty.
It's
More tasty.
more tasty.
Yeah.
Yes, okay.
Yes. Okay.
I prefer to eat. Okay, nothing else?
No.
Like an example?
Uh.
You can give an example. Okay, because
Okay.
if this is what you usually try to type, one sentence, so the learning process will be, less.
Yeah. Okay.
So, as much as possible, don't just try to make one sentence, try to give more. Let's say you can be specific. I prefer to eat Western food, such as what? Hamburger, French fries, pizza, spaghetti, and so on, right? And then why? I like it because it's kind of make me full. They are heavy meal.
Yeah.
I like hamburger because it's beef. It's made of beef. And then I usually put hot sauce, right?
Yeah.
Though I don't drink Coke. I prefer to drink iced tea or juice, right?
Yeah.
So as much as you can, try to say more. Or even if you put one sentence here, if I ask you to read it, then you can add,
Okay. Oh, so I can add
right?
by myself.
Yeah, I mean, if
When I'm saying.
yeah, you can say, of course, as much as possible. You should talk more than me.
Okay.
Yeah, so as much as possible, I should just listen and then correct you or teach you better ways.
Such sometimes. Um, can I write like this?
Okay, such as noodles and spaghetti. Sometimes I'll have. Okay, French fries. So that should be E. French fries
Oh, French fries.
for a meal. Yeah, you can separate them. French fries
Oh,
for a meal. But I never drink Coke. Okay, or you can say, but I have never uh, yeah, drink Coke or soda. I prefer, you can say that. I prefer, right? Or they should be, yeah, drunk. I have never drunk Coke or soda. Okay.
yeah.
Okay, so please try to practice doing this way, or just in case you type one sentence, better to tell me more
Okay.
when you read it.
Uh,
Okay, like question number 8. Do you get up early or sleep late? So you just said I often get up early because I have to go to school, but you didn't say anything about or sleep late. So we can say I just sleep late if I have holiday the next day. If it will be holiday the next day, so I don't have to wake up early. So I try to stay up a little late, watching TV, watching a movie, or playing computer games, right?
yeah.
Like that. So that's how you build up your comprehension. That's how you widen up your vocabulary. So next time, next lesson, since you have time to prepare, so I would like you to
Make
type
more.
type
Type
more
more.
answers, and then if there is something that comes in your mind while reading, let's say I would ask you to read your answer, and then you could also say that. Oh, by the way, do you know, for example, number 10, I prefer Western food because it's tasty. By the way, teacher, do you know this kind of food in Thailand? Like that. So you can introduce me some of the special or native food in Taiwan that I might like to eat or I might love to try. Let's say, oh, if you will go here in Thailand, you can try this dish, teacher, like that,
Oh,
because you like it and you think you can let me know. Okay,
yeah.
I can try like that if I go there. Okay, please.
Okay.
Okay. um. Okay, since our time is not really enough to
Yeah.
finish number 3, let's try to answer just number 1. So I want
Number
you
one.
to tell me more of what you can say in the picture.
What are those people?
Yeah. So where are those people?
Oh, where? Yeah.
Yeah. So you can say I guess, I think, maybe, if I'm not mistaken, like those, right?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so I guess they're in the airport waiting to buy.
Oh, goodbye.
Yeah, to buy the airplane
Goodbye.
ticket, but there are too many people, so it's very uncomfortable. Some even have arguments because you said some, so that
Yeah.
should have with letter S, arguments with each other, okay? And then you can also use the word QE here.
Kui.
Yeah, sorry. Oh, no, no, no. Okay, let me check the spelling. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. QUEUE. Alright, QE. When you say QE, it means a long line of people.
Oh.
So people are in a QE in this picture, like that. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Alright. So please do have more answers on questions 2 to 4, plus the translation if ever you have time in advance, so we can directly check your answer. Okay? Okay. Yeah, that's just what you need. Alright?
Okay.
Yeah, what is it?
No, no. I'm just typing my homework.
Okay. Yeah. So, Ellery, please try to have more sentences. That's just what you need because your speaking is good. However, to make it less will not be an improvement. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, have a great night and talk to you next time.
Bye.
Bye.